everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make ほうれん草のバター醤油炒め. It's buttery soy sauce spinach. Very simple and easy as always. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this ほうれん草のバター醤油炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of spinach. 150 grams of corn kernel, either canned or frozen. 1 tablespoon each of butter, soy sauce and vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and some salt and pepper. Let's cut the spinach. You may think 400 grams of spinach is too much, but it shrinks when it's cooked, so you need 400. Cut the bottom off. And let's cut it into 1 inch or so all the way to the leaves. And roughly separate the stemmy part and the leafy part. Heat up vegetable oil and butter in the pot. Vegetable oil will prevent butter from burning. Once the butter is melted, add the stemmy part of the spinach. And cook until it's wilted. Then the leafy part. Again, cook until it's wilted. You never want to overcook it. Then the remaining ingredients: corn kernel, garlic, soy sauce, and a little bit of salt and pepper to adjust the saltiness. Give it a stir. And once you start to smell nice aroma of the garlic, turn the heat off. And it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. And ほうれん草のバター醤油炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The buttery soy sauce is simply amazing. Soy sauce and butter are like best friends, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ほうれん草のバター醤油炒め is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about plain rice here, 揚げなすのお味噌汁 here, and うま塩 chicken for the main. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.